It's partly to mostly clear skies right now here across the Denver metro area, and temperatures have warmed to around 80 degrees downtown and out to the airport. Winds have picked up, and now we're starting to see some light moisture rolling into areas like Glenwood Springs. Dark clouds off to the west and scattered thunderstorms and showers impacting the western slope and our San Juan mountain range. This morning we've seen off and on showers, an isolated storm just approaching spots like Glenwood Springs, and even a little light snow falling over our mountain peaks in our southern San Juan mountains outside of Telluride. Radar and alerts in place here across the metro area. None right now, but we do have a heightened risk of seeing a few strong to even severe warned thunderstorms across the eastern plains through this afternoon, so be aware of that. Winds will also be very gusty. Last recorded in Broomfield at 29 miles per hour. It's a fast moving cold front. Telluride last recorded wind gusts there at 40 miles per hour, so already really windy over the southern portion of the state. Our storm outlook for today has increased here for the metro area and especially over the eastern plains. All areas shaded here in red under that enhanced risk of seeing a few strong storms that could produce damaging winds and large hail. So we'll be here all afternoon to let you know of any severe warned weather. Temperature wise, still pretty warm out there. We're in the high 70s and low 80s right now, upper 80s down south near Lamar. It will be a cooler and windy day in the Colorado's high country. Best chance for thunderstorms here in town arrives between 2 and 6 o'clock. Temperatures will drop by that point as well. Your high country planners, scattered storms and showers will be likely through the rest of the afternoon and early evening before skies clear out. Highs today, we're back to the upper 80s, low 90s, Burlington down through Lamar, mainly 50s and 60s for our northern and central mountain towns. So let me take you through Futurecast. You can see that widespread precipitation impacting our northern, central, and southern mountains right around 3:30 in Denver. Good chance for some wet weather rolling through. It won't last long. As you can see, right around 6 o'clock, those storms pick up steam over the eastern plains. Julesburg, Sterling, Akron, all under that risk of seeing a few of those strong storms. And then later on tonight into early tomorrow morning, that activity will move east. Sunshine, calmer for tomorrow, and dry conditions are expected. So that storm outlook rolls east. We're looking at dry conditions here across the state with temperatures a few degrees above normal. Typically this time in September, Denver sees a high at 79, slightly warmer than average across the region for the next 7 to 10 days. Looking ahead at our Super 7-day forecast, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, warm and dry, low to upper 80s expected. This weekend, it will cool down significantly. We are expecting some soggy conditions potentially on Saturday. And as fall officially begins Sunday, it's going to be cool, low 70s for highs.